Hi everyone, and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. For today's resin project, we're going to make some coasters featuring beluga whales in the ocean. We'll be using these geode style coasters. This is going to take multiple pours, so let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is mix the colors. We'll need a dark blue with some glitter, and a teal green also with some glitter. Now we're going to pour a thin layer of the dark blue in each mold. And before it spreads all the way to the other side, we're going to add the teal green. With a heat gun, we'll pop the bubbles. We're going to pour a bit more of the dark blue. And then add the beluga whales. We want the beluga whales to look like they're swimming from the dark blue to the teal green. Now we're going to give it at least 6 hours for this first layer to cure. Now for the second layer, we're going to add a bit more light teal color. Then immediately on top, we're going to add a few streaks of white resin. This is made by mixing clear resin with some white pigment. Now with a heat gun, we're going to blow on the white pigment till it thins out and spreads. We're going to do this for each coaster. And again, we're going to wait at least 6 hours for it to cure. Finally, we're ready for the third and final pour. This time, we'll add a clear layer. And when we're done, we're going to give it a full 12 hours to cure. Alright everyone, it's now time to demold. Go ahead and take these out. Oh my goodness, look at these. They're so pretty. Oh, you can see the beluga whale there. Super nice. Oh wow, this one's really nice too. Look at this. Here's the third one. And here is the last one. Alright everyone, and here are the 4 beluga whale coasters that we made today. I think they turned out really beautiful. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I love looking at them from the side. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!